Why do you make me suffer? Make me wait? Hold me back from being great? Why the pain? Why the failures? Why the struggle? Why all the pain? It's not what I asked for. Don't want to play the game?
I said I'll open the door. I didn't say I'll walk you through it. You must do your bit. You must learn a little bit, suffer a little bit, grow a little bit, so you know the contrast. You asked for patience, so I gave you lineups. I made you wait, because that's how you grow. That's how you know. Know what you want, know the difference. You asked for love. I gave you a broken heart, so you know the difference between real and fake, between average and great. I can open the door, I can guide you through, but you must walk through. You must keep your eyes open, see the message, see the cues, know what you must do. You must play your part. Don't look up, look within. Within yourself, that's where I am. I will always guide you. Open your ears, open your heart. Don't get lost in human directions. Your intuition is the guide, the real journey, the best ride.